how to rename multiple files on Mac. And yes, you can do that if you didn't know that. It makes your life a lot more easier, especially if you're renaming a lot of files. So I'm going to create a few folders just to give you an idea. Let's name it rename. And in rename, I'm just going to open this up. And in rename, I'm going to create, let's say, a few folders. These are some random folders, right? Obviously, it has automatically renamed itself as untitled folder 1, 2, 3 to 16. But let's say I want these 7 folders to be of a different name. I don't want to go one by one and rename them by pressing enter and then typing test, go to another one, typing test2. It's annoying, right? You don't want to do this. So let's select these 7 folders, right click, and then you have rename over here. Click on rename, and then you can see we have a format. In format, we have replace text, add text, or format. So if I go to replace text, you can say untitled. So this is what is written over there, and replace it with test folder, right? And I select OK, and you can see these folders have been renamed. Let's go and try the next thing, which is going to say add text. I'm just going to say my Mac talk, and then you can select after the name or before the name. Let's say I want it before the name. So you can see an example, my Mac talk, there is no space and then test. I'm just going to put in a space so it's neater, rename, and it has been renamed, right? But I want to change all of this to, let's say I want to change the format itself. I'm just going to have a name and index. I can have a name and counter. You can see file 0001. Name and date, I don't want it. I'm just going to select name and index. You can select any one of these, and then we have after the name or before the name. You can also have it have numbers. So let's say file format like, share, subscribe, and then the numbers start at 1. You can see again there is no space over here. I'm just going to hit 1 space. Number start at 1. I don't want it at 1. Let's say I want it at 7. I'm going to click rename, and you can see all these folders have been renamed just in a second, and it was so much easier than having to go and select each folder, putting in a new name. It makes your life a lot more easier and saves you a lot of time. So that's how you rename it. Hopefully this video has been helpful, has been interesting. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments.